Guys, it's Yogi Homes Productions back on your screen. I bought a tripod for the for my brothers for me and my brother to share to where we can use on both of our phones. And so guys, so I will probably be stepping up my game with using this phone mount on my phone, and my brother will use it on his phone too for his channel too, which I'll post a link to his channel in the description below. And another upgrade I'm going to do, which will be in the future, which I don't know when it will be, is get the Sony ZV-1 starter bundle, which comes with a tripod, but not like this tripod, but it's a way better tripod that Sony makes, with the Sony ZV-1, and it will have everything I need to have even better quality, to where I'll be shooting 4K once I get the camera. And the camera will shoot 4K, and it'll come with batteries and everything that the normal camera comes with. And then it will have the tripod, which is nice because it has a bunch of features on that tripod. So hopefully you guys understand, and like, comment, share, and subscribe. And bye guys, peace, I'm out. Go check out my brother's channel. Bye.